ओह माय माय, ये कौन है और ये क्या कर रही है? पीली रंग की साड़ी, सेंशियस डांस। ये है आलिया भट्ट। अपनी सेक्सी अदाओं से वो इंडस्ट्री के खिलाड़ी अक्षय कुमार को रिझा रही है। दरअसल आलिया पर चढ़ गया है अक्की की फिल्म रुस्तम का बुखार।
मुझे क्या देख रहे हो? जाके रुस्तम देखो ना। One day to go. Music.
In a quirky way to promote Rustam, Alia took to Twitter to share her dance video. Draped in yellow sari, Alia looks amazingly hot by turning into Raveena Tandon and seducing her fans by dancing on the song Tip Tip Barsa Pani. She wrote, "The madness that comes along with the excitement. Just #1 day for Rustam." Aki too just could not hold his excitement watching Alia's sensuous rain dance. In his reply, he said, "After this act, you're sure to get a mandatory rain song in every film. Superb one, Alia. #1 day to Rustam." वाकई में आलिया ने तो धमाका मचा दिया। Her sizzling, seductive dance moves in this yellow sari is just igniting screens. What's your reaction? Post your comments below.